If you need to enter company information in Hostinger, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to fill in step by step. This is useful if you're setting up billing details, organizing your account for business use, or making sure your Hostinger profile has the correct company information saved. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account using your normal email and password. Once you're inside the dashboard, look toward the top area and click the profile icon. This is where Hostinger keeps your account settings and personal details. After that, click on Account Information. This section is where you can manage the details attached to your profile, including personal and company information. Now look for the personal information area and choose Company. This switches the form from personal details to company details, which is what you want if you're entering business information. Once the company section opens, you'll see fields for your company name, VAT number, and company code. Carefully type in each detail exactly as it should appear. Make sure your company name is spelled correctly and double check your VAT number and company code if your business uses them, because these details need to be accurate for billing and account records. If you're not sure about any of the values, it's always a good idea to confirm them before saving. After you've entered everything, take one final look to make sure all the information is correct. Then click Continue to save the changes. Hostinger should now update your account with the company information you entered. That's it. You've successfully added company information in Hostinger. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.